I am heading away for the weekend with some girls, and I'm on cooking. It's actually been something that has been in the making. Well, we've been trying to make it do pre-COVID, and so it's been 3 years in the making. So I am so excited. So I am on not cooking. I'm on the menu because we're going to our place. I know what's in the pantry, and obviously I'm the major foodie. And on Saturday night, we are having a really authentic butter chicken dish because one of the girls is craving some grain-free coconut wraps that I make. So we're having butter chicken, like a really authentic one, a cauliflower rice and coconut, grain-free coconut wraps, and so exciting. So the chicken has tandoori paste in it, so I'm making my own. That is what I love so much about the Thermomix, is that you can make everything from scratch, be it your stocks or even stock powders, all sorts of different pastes, and your curry paste, all of that type of thing. So if you are someone who really loves cooking from scratch and knowing exactly what is going into your food where it hasn't got the additives and preservatives in it, then this is definitely the machine for you. So I have pulled up, I've gone into Cookadoo, and I've pulled up Tandoori Paste. So for those of you who don't know what Cookadoo is, it is the online recipe cookbook, basically. It's got 80,000 recipes in it. You can tap into anything and everything and just follow along. For some reason, Facebook was playing, I couldn't do it the other way, so we're now long ways. And so I am just going to start cooking, and you are going to see how super easy this is. We've got a tablespoon of coriander seeds, and then I go next. I've got some cumin seeds, and then we go next. I've got some black cardamom pods. I'm just putting them in exactly how they've come out of the cupboard. I've got some whole cloves, and I actually have all of these spices in my drawer. Like, this is where I keep my spices. Can you see those? Yes, you can. I love cooking with spices and fresh herbs, but spices just add so much flavour. Okay, next. I'm not putting chili powder in it. I will probably add that in at a later time because my kids aren't so much into chili, and this makes quite a lot, so I'll just leave that out. I've got turmeric in here and cinnamon. Next, some salt, and the salt is what helps it preserve. Next, brown sugar. So we've got 60 grams. It's going to weigh it. It's already on 0. So we'll put that in. So that was half. That's about 52 grams, so that's enough. Tomato paste. So 120 grams of tomato paste. Now, what I've realised is that I haven't got my garlic and ginger ready. So I'm going to process this, and then I'm going to come back and process it again, put the garlic and the ginger in it because it just completely slipped my mind. And then I will come back. So I've got to add garlic paste and ginger paste, and then some olive oil. So we're doing, it's got quite a bit of olive oil in it, but it actually makes a huge batch. Okay, it's got 200 grams. Could have measured out prior. Okay, and then next, all I'm going to do is insert this and process it. And then I'll go next, and it just says 20 seconds at speed 9. So that's going really fast and, really hard to grind up all those spices. So you just flick it round to 9. Now, if I want to stop cooking in between, I can do that. If I want to change out the different spices, I can do that too. So, as I say, I've got to add in the ginger and the garlic, but that is what it looks like. And then you just store it in the fridge, in a jar or in a container, and it lasts for ages. So, hey, you may not have seen, but if you are thinking about getting a Thermomix, now is such a good time because they've got a promotion on at the moment that started on Tuesday. It finishes on the 29th. And it's, if you buy a Thermomix, you get a free mini cold vacuum cleaner worth $300. It is awesome. I've heard that they are freaking amazing. Great for, you know, if you get little just food falling in your drawers. Apparently really good in cars. If you just drop ingredients on the floor, then that's what it'll be. You know, I just had a message come in and I was a little bit distracted. So if you want, are you thinking about a Thermomix, reach out to me and we can, you know, have a chat and then you can grab that amazing deal. I wish I could get it too. Okay, thanks so much for joining me and let me know if you've got any questions. See ya.